welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Tiffany Nicole. And as you can see, today is the day to be making videos, I guess. You know, I'm in the mood. It's almost Friday, so why not make a video? I hope this light is not too bright. Let's brighten it down a little bit. Okay. So, in today's video, as you can see by the title, is another Steve Madden unboxing. I ended up ordering some shoes. I ordered about 4 pairs of Steve Madden shoes. Only 1 pair came in today. I think I have 2 pair of heels and a pair of sneakers. So I can't wait for the other 2 to come in. I think I've ordered a total of 3. I have to go back and look. So today I received 1 box. I'm going to open that up with you guys. So I got my thumbnail out the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm excited to see what pair is in the box. This is going to be a very quick video, hopefully. Alright, so what came in today? I think these are my booties that I ordered. These are the Cloak or Rhinestones. Hey y'all, so I think it's pronounced cloak instead of cloak. I don't know what I said, but I think it's cloak. And I ordered a size 7. As you know, in the past, if you watched any of my Steve Madden videos, I ordered 2 pairs of sneakers, the Maximum. And I ordered both of those in a 6.5, and they fit, but they were slightly snug. And I do think that I should have ordered a 7. They would have been a little more comfortable. So, like I said, I should have ordered a 7 because they would have been a little bit more comfortable on my feet. So I did order a 7 in these. So let's open her up. Oh my god, y'all, I love bling. Like, I love bling. That's just it. Like, my Instagram name is I love bling. Like, oh my, these are so cute. Oh my god. And yeah, I don't have anywhere to go to wear these. Let's be spending money. Steve Madden, I need y'all to sponsor me. Send me out some shoes or something. Purses. I'll take it all. Oh my god. Y'all, these are so, man, these are so cute. So let me go over them right quick. The price was $179.95. Those are a bit pricey, but compared to those other brands, baby, I'll take the $179. They do have what do you call it, Afterpay. So baby, take advantage of Afterpay. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Y'all, hold on, let me, cause y'all, look at these. Yeah, look at these. Like, what? They're so, man, these are so cute. So cute. And the heel, I saw the little skinny heel when I was about to order. You know what? I can't even walk in heels no more. It's so cute. So I'm going to take a chance and walk in these. Oh my god. Y'all, these are so cute. Now, the only thing, because I'm looking at them, the only thing that I really don't like too much is the stitching. And it looks like they may have used, I'm pretty sure they would have to use some kind of glue for the stones. But I can kind of tell, if you look very, very close at the stitching, you can kind of see that, you know. Let me try to get it. Okay, yeah, but baby, these are so cute, but it just seems like they could probably tear easily, but hopefully not though. Other than that, I really love these. They are so, uh-oh. Y'all, my lighting is very off on this video. I'm sorry about that. I really like this. This is so cute. I ordered a size 7. I hope they're not too big. I have to see like what I wear in shoes with Steve Madden, what I wear in heels. So I'm going to try both of them on and see if I can walk in them. It do come with the, like the heel replacement. And then it comes with a few diamonds, little bling for you if any of them come off. Okay. So yeah, let me try these on. Y'all, these are like, man, these are so cute. They are so cute. Okay, so there's no zipper. No zipper. There's this like scrunchy thing. And you just open it that way, and then when you put, I guess when you put them on, you can tighten it back up. So let me try them on, and I'm gonna show y'all how they look on my feet. All right, y'all. So they did take a little minute to come to put on, but y'all, they are so cute, and they are so comfortable. Even though it's a skinny heel, I can walk in them. My feet may hurt a little bit at the end of the night or whatever, but I can walk in them. They are so comfortable. It's just so cute. They are so cute. And it's like a bubble. I can't explain the details in them, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 layers of like the bubble. Kind of almost made for shoes that you would probably, like made for like snow, like the snow boots, but with the heel. Y'all, these are so freaking cute. Like, I love these shoes. Oh my god. I do recommend, definitely recommend. They are on the Steve Madden website. Like I said, they were $179.95, I think, but they do have Afterpay. So yeah, ain't no shame in my game, baby. Afterpay is where it's at. And I can't wait to show y'all the my next pair of shoes that I have. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, this was gonna be a real short little video. I wanted y'all to see my cute little booties. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.